lunch. Grabe, mahilo-hilo na kami sa lunch. Hello, may level.
Yeah, bro.
Ayan, oh. Boys. Napabili ng chaser sila bigla, guys. Ako, chill lang ako dito. Oh. So cold. 250. Almost 4. Hindi nyo kita. I'm gonna order... Hindi, ano po, Choco Mint. Ano kakabisaduhin niya daw kasi...
Here lang ah.
Yeah, ito. Sinasabi niya kasi photographic memory daw siya. So now, I asked him to memorize all the names na magkakasunod. Tapos we're gonna see if kaya niyang i-name in order. Kasi photographic.
Not in order.
No, that's photographic memory.
Oh.
Like, you can like... Na-pressure. Sana masarap yung Choco Mint. It's very unusual for me to order like Choco Mint unless it's peppermint. So naisip ko, lasa siyang gano'n. Ano ang before ng Choco Chai?
Coconut. Ay,
Ink.
yeah.
Ink.
Sunod.
Ink. Before Choco Chai? Kalua. Oh no!
Just after, bro.
Ay, sorry.
Let's replay.
Before
Replay kasunod.
Wait.
sabi kasunod.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Hindi,
What's-
technical.
Ay,
May isa pa.
after toffee.
After toffee, right? Choco mint.
Yeah. Anong after ng hazelnut?
Ay, hindi ko nga.
Vanilla.
Ha?
Vanilla.
After ng hazelnut, guys.
Hazelnut?
Yeah. Ano ang price ng vanilla?
220.
Ano ang... Grabe. Where's the strawberry? It's so, it's all covered. It's really good. Pag tumaob yung goat cart, bye!
You angry about this girl?